Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin from Florals.com and today I'm back with another layout process video using my May How to Kill a Kit with Style page kits that I created for this month. I'll have the May playlist linked down below so you guys can watch all the pages I created this month as well as see my kits that I had created. I have this absolutely beautiful floral paper that I fussy cut some florals out of, and that is from the Jen Hadfield Everyday collection. And then I have two bright colored patterns here. I have this polka dot tone-on-tone color with the bright pink, and then I have a green, which is sort of a lattice squiggly pattern, and I'll be using that as well. And that's from the same DCWV paper pad. And then I also have some scraps here from the Pink Paisley Citrus Bliss 6x6. And then I also have some papers from the Echo Park Summer Fun paper pad here, which are very, very beautiful, and they match the DCWV paper pad pretty well. Then I also have the Everyday 6x6 paper pad, which comes in handy later on. Whenever I use 4x6 photos, I often trim them down by 1/4 of an inch so that they are 4 by 5 3/4 versus 4x6, because 6x6 papers obviously don't work well with a 4x6 photo to make a full mat. So I just trim mine down, and knowing this, I usually take my photos specifically so I know I can trim them down. So on these ones even, I could have trimmed them down a lot further, especially the one of me that is horizontal. And both of these photos were taken on one of those boat tours. So we went to Alexandria Bay up in northern New York a couple summers ago, and that is what this is from. And we took an Uncle Sam boat tour, and it was really beautiful. It was a little bit chilly, hence why I'm wearing a sweater. So these aren't really summer photos, but they are fun photos, so still using them here in the summer themed May kit. And as I mentioned, I believe in my last video, I did put up the poll for the June How to Kill a Kit with Style kit, what you guys wanted to see in it. This month it won't be, or in June, it won't be a theme, but it will be a product focus. You guys seem to like those a little bit better than just themed kits, but depending on what I'm working on, we'll see. I think I might go back to my Disney albums. I'm in the Disney mood now that we live so close to it, and I'll have a whole update video coming out very soon so you guys can understand what's happening in my life. If you don't follow me on Instagram or anything, you might not know as much. So I'll have a video coming soon with all of that. And June is a very, very exciting month because we're doing things a little bit differently than traditionally I do on my channel. So while I'm embellishing here, I just want to give you guys a little bit of a prep for it, and then you guys can tell me what you guys think of it. So throughout the summer months this year, June, July, and August, I'll be doing a new series. Essentially, we're going to be focusing on one thing for all 3 of those months, a broader topic, so don't worry, it's not going to be too repetitive. And then in each of those months, we'll be focusing on something different. So I believe 6x6 paper pads might be June's focus, but stamping's a close second, so it still might pull ahead. But we'll be focusing on those things, and you guys will get special videos all those 3 months that kind of coordinate together to sort of give you a full lesson in those 3 months. And then those will be uploaded Tuesday and Thursday every week, and then on Saturdays we're going to start doing some different types of videos, more so vlogs, sort of storytelling through video, so you guys can get a little bit more practice on your own scale of storytelling. Here I'm just going to finish embellishing with some stickers from my American Craft sticker book. I'm pulling out 2 lime green stickers, which I know some people hate this color, but oh my gosh, does it work well with pink. Like, this is just so beautiful. I think if the little flowers there weren't, didn't have that lime green in their leaves, it wouldn't work as well, but since it does, it works out very well. And I just back those on some white paper so that they pop a little bit better. But I'm really excited for the June, July, and August season here. You guys are going to be really excited when you know what it is, and I can't wait to share that with you. And I'll have the announcement video coming out very, very soon, so get excited for that. As I glue everything down here, I'm just using my ATG tape and trying to tuck things together to make some nice clusters. I try to tuck the flowers in on the sides that they're poorly cut, or where the edge of the paper was. I try to make sure that those are sort of hidden from the eye, so it looks a little bit more organic and unique. Here I'm just tucking in a little journaling block. It's a little, I think it says today at the top, and then I can journal on that above my photo. And I believe the box in the bottom right says start each day with a grateful heart, which I absolutely adore that quote. And these are just some fun photos of me. I don't have a specific story to go with them, so I thought something like this would just be fun to do, and just have some fun with the colors and the stickers and all of that. But I am really excited for what's coming up in June, and I hope you guys definitely enjoyed May. I certainly did. We got a ton done, and you guys will see all of that in the recap video coming up at the end of May, which is very, very soon now that I think about it. Here I'm just putting in some of these bright pink puffy stickers. I think they're a great addition to this layout to bring in more of that dimension that we need, because right now it's relatively flat. If you plan on doing this where you fussy cut out flowers, I would recommend using some foam adhesive under some of them to give it a little bit more breadth and dimension, just to give it a little bit more liveliness. And if you're ever feeling like your layouts are flat, just add something like enamel dots or puffy stickers, or even wood veneer will help alleviate that feeling of the flatness. So here I just pulled out this title that says Love Every Day with some like pink accents and green lettering, and I backed that on white paper as well, and that will simply just be my title for this, Love Every Day, and then we have the quote down beneath it. Really simple layout, simple clustering, nothing too crazy, a lot of white space, which I particularly love. I've been having a lot of busy pages lately, so this is something a little bit more calm, but still working with those bright colors that I know a lot of us struggle with. But I really, really enjoyed how this one turned out. I did think about doing some splatters on here. I just didn't have the right color to do so. At this time at least. Since then I've moved and now all my stuff's in one place, but I am going to add a few sequins instead to finish this off. And this is from the Hot Pink Passion sequin mix, which was so pink. It has a lot of those deeper pinks that you often don't find in packs like these. And now I'm looking for my green one. My favorite green one's called Nature Walk, but I actually pull out one in a melon instead because it's the pinks and greens that I both want for this layout. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget you can use my code Caitlin15 for 15% off your order at Spiegelmom Scraps. And I have other discount codes linked down below, as well as all the products that are still available featured in this video linked down below in case you guys are interested. But I hope you guys did enjoy. I certainly did. And here are some close-ups. Don't forget to let me know if you guys are excited for the new idea that's coming in June. I know I didn't allude much to it because I still want it to be a big reveal, but I did share it with my patrons over on Patreon, so they kind of know what's coming, and they're excited about it too. But thank you guys again so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you guys next time. Bye.